One of the things I love about the Apple Magsafe battery pack is the fact that this turns into a fast charger when you pair it with a 20-watt power brick and a lightning cable. So I took that and said, why not turn it into a car charger? Now you might be wondering, why do that in the first place? Well, first reason is that this is the fastest car charger when paired with the right car charger. And don't worry, I'm going to tell you exactly which one to use. Now, after watching this video, this $100 product can serve the purpose of 3 different products. It can be a charger at your bedside, it can be a battery pack on the go, and then it can be a fast car charger for you when you are traveling in your car. No other Magsafe product does this, and I am pretty sure by the end of this video, you're going to want to do this for yourself as well. Because frankly speaking, there is no other car charger on the market that can beat what this guy can do. First and foremost, let's start with what you're going to need. You're going to need the Apple Magsafe battery pack, of course. You're going to need one of these metal plates that you can buy online anywhere. You can also buy them on my website. And then all you need is a car mount that is Magsafe compatible, so you can snap this onto it. And last but not least, you need a fast car charger. So now let's talk about the charging speeds. What I need you to keep in mind is the entire time that I was charging either my 13 mini or 13 Pro with the Magsafe battery pack, it was plugged into my fast car charger, and at the same time I was using it for directions. My AirPods were also connected to the phone in the entire process. So I was really pushing the phone because I didn't want to just see what happens when you just put the phone on the charger and you turn it off and you leave it. I actually wanted to see real tests as to what happens when you're using your navigation, when you're doing the things that you're normally going to be doing, and putting this on a charger at the same time. Now, first and foremost, let's start with the 13 mini. At 2:16 p.m. when I put it on the charger, it was at 33%. In just 15 minutes, at 2:32 p.m., it was already at 45%. But I didn't stop there. I kept going, and after an additional 15 minutes, at 2:46 p.m., it was already up to 52%. So 30 minutes, we have gone from 33 to 52%. So after another 15 minutes, at 3:02 p.m., the charge on the 13 mini was now 58%. Now, in between this 15 minutes, I got out without the battery pack. I went into the store. I had to get some things from CVS. I went in there, and the reason I did this is just to really, push this battery pack and see whether or not it's going to be able to do a good job. This is beyond what I would normally do for a charger. No other charger I've tested this way, but I was giving the Magsafe battery pack the disadvantage in the entire situation. Now, last but not least, an hour into the charge, the 13 mini had gone from 33 to 63%. Now, despite all of these tests and despite using it for navigation with the AirPods connected, with music playing in between, I think this is really impressive. I really do, because I have tried a lot of different chargers, and no charger, while being pushed so hard, can actually do this. I have not at least come across one so far. So that is the 13 mini, and now let's move on to the 13 Pro. Now for the 13 Pro, I put it on the charger at 3:22 p.m. with only 29% of a charge on its battery. In just the first 15 minutes, it had gone from 29% to 40%, which is not bad at all. Now, after an additional 15 minutes, it had reached 48%. So now we're 30 minutes into the charge, and it's gone from 29 to 48%. Now, after another 15 minutes, the 13 Pro was sitting at a 55% of a charge, but I wanted to get that full hour in, just like I did with the 13 mini. So after an hour, the 13 Pro went from 29 to 61%, which is really not that bad. Now, I didn't stop there. I wanted to do one more test. So let's say by now you are convinced and you decide to use this as your bedside charger, as your portable battery pack, and your car charger. What happens if you go out to town and you have a long day? let's say you've been out all day, you took the battery pack with you, you were taking a lot of photos, and now your phone is at 50% and your Magsafe battery pack is completely dead. When you get back to your car and you plug it up, what's going to happen? Well, this was also a good test and I got great results. When I plugged it up, in 30 minutes, I was able to get the phone from 50 to 58%, and at the same time, the battery pack also charged itself up 11%. My whole purpose of doing this was to make sure that, if your battery pack is dead and you plug it into the car, when you're driving home, are you going to be able to charge your phone? Because if you're returning home, think about it, it doesn't really matter whether the battery pack charges up itself, because you're going to come home and plug it up and use it as your bedside charger anyway. So it's going to charge overnight. See, this again is where hardware and software working together like they do in the Magsafe battery pack and your iPhone just makes a product more useful. And again, nobody talks about this, but see, when you plug in your Magsafe battery pack to a charger and it's completely dying, it knows your priority is to charge your iPhone and not the battery pack. It knows that it should charge your iPhone first, just in case you get into a situation where you're going to need to use this. All in all, this was such a fun project to do. You see, with this product being misunderstood, it's very easy to present you with third-party options and all the ways that this isn't a good product. But because I actually love this, and because this is actually made to work with your iPhone, I wanted to showcase that this $100 product can serve the purpose of 3 different products, which is just awesome. It's your bedside charger, it's your car charger, and it's your portable battery pack. And there is no other product that does this on the market today. You can't even counter that argument. I would love to see a sensible argument in the comments down below. Now, is this perfect? No. Apple, I really hope that you see this video, and if you do, please give me the option for colors and just give everyone USB-C so they don't have anything to complain about. So that way people can just carry like one cable for all their stuff. Please, eventually it's coming, I know, but please give us the USB-C. And other than that, nothing to complain about here. Oh wait, so some Magsafe chargers have got these kickstands and stuff, and by doing this, I incorporated my own kickstand to this. And this now is another different product. So it's a battery pack with a kickstand. And of course, you'd have to add a kickstand into the mix. But hey, I want to make this product as perfect as possible, just like all the other battery packs that pretend to be perfect. All right, so thank you so much for taking the time to be in my car and not studio today. We're always in my car actually whenever I've got like a car related thing to do. So it was nice having you stop by. Now, for those of you that have made it this far, I've got another giveaway. I did a Magsafe battery pack giveaway in my review video because I love this product and I believe in this product. I'm not sponsored by Apple, okay? So these thoughts and my appreciation of this product is just because I actually love this product. So what I'm going to do is not only give away one of these battery packs, but I will also give away this Magsafe kit. This comes with 2 rings that you can put on anything that isn't Magsafe to make it Magsafe compatible. I've got one on this here to add my kickstand, which is also something you'll be getting. So you can have a Magsafe battery pack, which is also a kickstand, and when it's on your phone, like this, you can actually hold it better. So in order to enter this, all you've got to do is give this video a thumbs up, and down below in the comments you need to drop a comment saying the Magsafe battery pack is now my car charger. As long as you do that, it is November 30th, 4 p.m. December 15th, I will be back to announce the winner. Thank you again for your time. Take care of yourself, and I will see you in the next video.